Hi and welcome into another LeetCode challenge. So today we are dealing with an easy one, Excel sheet column title. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So A goes to 1, B to 2, C to 3, Z to 26, and then we are adding yet another segment of letters, so AA is 27, AB is 28. And here are some examples. So let's think about it for a moment and code the solution. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but there are more languages to choose from if you would like to. So let's think about the approach. So if we know that there are 26 letters from A to Z, then in fact if we, let's say, have a 26 and it gives us Z, or this 27 gives us AA, so we know that each new segment is being built after the next, like 26 for the column number. So I think that the approach here will be to divide this column number into parts of 26s, so we will just divide it by 26 till there is, let's say, nothing left in the column number, and we will transform using char code from ASCII to the specific letter. So let's think about it. So let's declare firstly a result, so it will be initially a blank string, and then we would like to go on a loop till the column number is greater than 0, because if it will be 0, then we know that our work is finished. So what we would like to do firstly from the column number, each time when we take this another part, we will firstly deduct 1 from the column number, because we need to account for the fact that A transforms to 1, not to 0. So let's do it here. Let's do a column number minus minus, and then what we would like to do, we will do some calculations. So to the result, we will, for the beginning of the result, we will append the prefix, the current result, with the calculation of a char code and so on. So let's do it this way. Okay, so we already decided that we will be using ASCII here, so let's do a string from char code, and here we will take the column number, do a reminder out of 26 for that, because we are looking for a number. We are looking for a number in this particular section, and what we need to do, if we are using the char code, we also need to add the letter A at the beginning. So we will do A char code at 0, and this will calculate as the letter, and then let's add to it the rest of the result, because as we know here, we need to start yet another section, yet another section, yet another section after all of these divisions by 26, and at the end we just need to make the column number a new column number after removing the first section of the column name. So we will do that the column number will be equal to column number divided by 26, and let's wrap it also into Matplotlib, and let's see if it will work. We are not returning. We need to return result. Let's run it. Okay, the 3 cases are accepted. And let's run the whole one. Okay, the whole one is accepted. We didn't do it very well regarding the runtime, but solution works. So that will be my JavaScript solution. It was, from the description, it was a very quick and easy. From the code perspective, maybe also not too much lines, but we needed to think about how to approach it from the mathematical perspective. So if you would like to see more of such videos, please subscribe. And if you would like to get to know other problems, or you have some problems that you would like to see a solution to, let me know in the comments. And for today, see ya!